Good day, guys. I'm gonna be reviewing this Ryobi cordless reciprocating saw. Okay, price. The price of this one is $119, which is equivalent to around 4,000 pesos, basically. It doesn't come with the battery. It's a standalone. You need to buy the battery. This is separate battery. It actually comes with a manual, and this is the cordless reciprocating saw original instruction. Basically, this is all about how you can use this. You need to read this for your own personal safety, and there's some, if you can't read, of course you can have some kind of illustrations. You can look around the proper way to put the battery. You also have the power on, and okay, this is how you can use it. And with regards to that, this is the actual reciprocating saw. Look at this. It comes with a blade, by the way. So this blade is all together. There are two kinds of blades. One is for metal and one is for the wood or timber. You can get it inside. Um, it's in the package, and also it has a 6-year replacement warranty. So you can replace it actually or return it if needed. But actually, I've already used this to do some like DIY projects inside the house. Um, I'm pretty happy. Don't need to worry about because sometimes if you use the manual, it's really hard, especially if you're alone, like me. This is the battery. This is 18 volt, 36 watts, 2.0 amperes. Yep. Oops. Oh, sorry. There's some kind of cement left during my project the other day. So what you're gonna do, okay, how to put the battery, just hold this so you can see that hole, and you need to position the battery according to how it looks like underneath this saw. Okay, like this, I'm gonna put this inside, and there you go. Once it's snapped back in, and it should be good. Then we can put the blade. So the blade is actually, you can put it inside this here, but you cannot do it without pulling this out. So you need to pull this out first. Pull this out, pull this out, pull this out, hold it, and that's the only time you can put the blade on. Okay? Okay? And it's not back in. Okay? How to test it? So you need to press here, this lever here. So it's kind of a switch. So this is the one that controls if you get power or not. So, and also there's another one, the bottom. So just for your own safety, there are two buttons just for the safety, because sometimes if you push this alone, it will not work. So it's a good thing, it has some kind of safety measures. Okay, so you need to press this one, or press this one, doesn't matter, both. So that means once you press it one, and then you can press this. it's like trigger, you know. Yeah, this one here, just here, and this one, the bottom. Okay, let me try. Okay, press and then press again, and that's how it works. Look at that. And then this guide is actually, if you're gonna use it to, I mean, to do some kind of straight line, so you can use this guide. This is Ryobi Reciprocating Saw cordless. Yes, costs $110. I pull out the battery. Oops. That's it. That's how it works. Thank you guys. Cheers.